mm, 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 mm. Bum, bum, ba-da-dum, bum, bum. Bum, ba-da-dum, bum, bum. Sakpaseyo. So it took me forever to learn how to draw lips. Forever. I'm going to hopefully prevent the painful process of learning by showing you how I draw lips. So watch the video, let me know what you think. And also, if you want me to make more videos like this, little tutorials kind of things, I can do that. Just let me know what you want me to draw. I also stream no, I don't stream Mondays. No, we don't do that. I stream Tuesdays and Thursdays. I do art those days. So my throat, Jesus Christ. If you want to see some more art stuff, you can watch me live at 9 p.m. Eastern, Tuesdays and Thursdays. And Saturdays I play cute little games. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the video. I hope it helps. So stay tuned for more tutorials. Bye guys. Oh my god. I don't even notice when I'm doing it. You should do a tutorial on how you draw lips. I thought I did? Maybe I didn't. I don't remember. But if you ever want to know how I draw lips, okay? I start with 2 dots. And the 2 dots align with your pupil. So, well, I make it align with the pupil. Really, it's more like a diagonal thing. Start with 2 dots. Then I do like a circle like this, a circle like this, okay? And then, and the 2 dots are for like the corners of your mouth, by the way. Then I do a circle like this. So 3 circles. I always make the bottom one bigger because my lips, they're pretty big on the bottom. They actually stick out. See how like my top one's more in and this one sticks out. But anyway, then now I have my skeleton, and then I use that as an opportunity to do the outline of the lips, like so. See how that's already coming together? And then I do the inside line of the mouth, like so. Okay, and then the bottom, like so. And then you just bring in the inside crease. You got yourself a mouth, baby. That's your mouth. And you do the same thing with different, like if you're facing a profile kind of thing. I don't have a reference to look, but let's just say this is the side of the mouth. So this would be a bigger circle and this would be smaller, right? And then same thing. You just do that. You bring this out. Oh, that's a big bottom lip, bro. Oh my gosh. But yeah, you get the gist. So, like that. So now that's your side view kind of thing. Make sense? So that's how I draw lips. Drop your pencil. No cheating. It is time to show me your unicorn.